Next, we're going to install ROS2 on our Ubuntu system. To simplify the process, we've provided a quick installation tool. You can simply enter the command in the terminal and proceed with the installation. Something went wrong. Since English version hasn't been fully completed yet, we'll proceed with the demonstration using the Chinese version instead. The steps in Chinese version are actually very straightforward. Just follow along with me step by step. The whole process is divided into 3 parts. First, running the follow command. Next, running the follow command to get the tools which can help us install it easily. Wait a minute. This is a tool developed by our team. As you can see, in the next steps, we'll just make some choice. If you follow our courses, just choose whatever we choose. What I have to remind you is that according to your region, you can update your source before. Okay, now we can choose. The first one is choose option 1. Next, after we chose our source, we choose 2. Do not change the source. Since we are not only install ROS, but we have to install something that it needed, it rely on. So, okay, it's kind of fast. Next, we will choose 1, which is humble version ROS2. Next, we will choose 1, which is about desktop. We just wait for it to be done. Great! After about an hour of waiting, the installation is finally complete. Now let's verify whether everything was installed correctly. First, we enter ROS2. As you can see, there is some output. This means the installation was successful. And then we type where as ROS2, and we can see the path is where it is.